Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Power Review Time. I'm doing a McFarlane Toys Shrek duloc dungeon with sound and squirting. So already out of packaging, so I can put the packaging behind me. This is what it came in, like the dungeon scene. So if I can push the camera down, there we go. And these are what you get. This is Lord Farquaad, or whatever his name is. I don't know if I'm saying this right. And the dungeon scene with a load of accessories. There we go. So we won't put it in the thing. I'm sorry if it's darkness. I'm going to quickly go and see if I can switch on a light. So bear with me. I don't know if that's made it any better. With these, we'll start off with the evil villain in this. His articulations, it's his head. Rotate on his arm. No articulation, waist, and no legs. He's got a soft cape, so we'll put him there. With Gingy, you get all these accessories and bits I haven't put on properly. And these move. I haven't worked it out properly. Come on, stay up. Stay up. Some of the accessories are way too heavy. And this does, like I said, it has movement and sprays water, but I'm not putting the water in, so movement is that. And sounds, also I forgot to say, you get a bin. What is what he throws them into. The sounds are here, so listen very carefully.
Alright then, who's hiding them? Not the button! Not that gum-gum button! Okay, I'll tell you. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? Yes, I know the Muffin Man. Who lives on Drury Lane? Well, she's married to the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man! She's married to the Muffin Man.
And that was the sounds, guys. All the accessories are just soft plastic and hard plastic mixed together. Other accessories you get is the glass of milk that Gingy gets dunked in. So yeah, I think this is a really cool set. It does spray water, like I said. Literally you push it into these little holes here and he shoots water, so you can have him spit it at Lord Farquaad. Oh, there's a bit of water still in him. But, oh, see, you can just about see it coming out his mouth, what it looks like he's dribbling. So if you get it at the right angle when you do have water in it, like that, he spits. So let's move any accessories out of the way. So he does spit if you are on this little holes here. So yeah, guys, I hope you actually enjoyed the look at this McFarlane Toys Shrek duloc dungeon scene. Yeah, like I said, like, comment, subscribe if you do like this, and if you'd like to see any more of this stuff, leave me a comment. So like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button for when I update videos. Join the Facebook page at Mark's Power Review Times and Figures and Micro Toys, and Instagram at MarkCole2009 for pictures of when I do actually put this up. So, and I'll catch you all next time.